Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons of a retro style replacement. Let's get into this. So a lot of customers say, hey Sean, what are the pros and cons of a retro style replacement versus new construction or something else? The pros are, if you are not wanting to spend a lot of money, but you still want to have a high performance window, if you're not wanting to break stucco or pull siding, reflash, cut back drywall, all these extra things that add to the labor costs, then retro is a good option for you. Retrofitting is probably about 95% of what we do here. Simply just say, hey listen, these single pane windows, they're horrible. I just need something to really help the temperature on the inside or the drafts. Yeah, Retrofit is perfect. A few cons regarding retro replacement. Number one, if it's installed improperly. Not every installer is gonna use the proper sealants or the proper techniques to install your windows. If they're using the wrong sealants and you're going out to spray down the house, or you got some rain coming, and all of a sudden you got some dripping coming from the top of your window frame, you're like, oh man, what gives? Well, they probably used the wrong sealants, or they didn't use enough sealants or apply it the right way. Then it becomes a nuisance. The other is gonna be, well, you're leaving the mainframe in, whether it's 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches wide. The new window frame that you've bought is gonna sit inside the existing window frames. So you're gonna lose, inherently, a little bit of that glass surface, right? The size of your actual overall window is gonna be slightly smaller. For some, that's fine. Others, not so. And then lastly, if the installer is not shimming the bottoms very good, you could have an issue with operations. Then your sash, the one that slides back and forth, is not gonna meet the top lock. The track is going to kind of pinch at the sash that's sliding back and forth. And what ends up happening is you fall out of love with the window. That is going to be because they did not shim properly. And I don't mean wood shims or anything like that. I mean absolute composite or vinyl shims to go underneath the vinyl window. That way there's no collapsing of the frame. Depending on the kind of customer you are, retrofit, a little less money, less invasive, and you're gonna lose a little bit of window. New construction, maybe that's the aisle for you, but you're the one who needs to determine that. Okay guys, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, you can always go to the comment section, try to reach out as soon as possible. Thanks guys for watching this. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.